Who am I? Well, my name is Cooper. And scratch that. Welcome back to Cooper's Words of Wisdom. Hey guys, how are you guys doing today? I hope you guys are having a blessed day today. I just want to be on here for a quick few minutes. I just want to give, this is how setting your goals. This may not be, it's interesting, but I'm trying to make it as interesting as possible. I hope you enjoyed this video, and here it goes. So, setting goals is very important for having growth in your life. You can't really get anywhere in life unless you set goals. Whether it's growing your relationship with Christ, whether it's growing a relationship with your body or at school, you can't really get anywhere in life unless you set goals. That's why I think this video is very important. So, step one to setting your goals is to determine how you want to grow and where you want to grow. Whether it's gaining new muscles, learning a new language, whatever fits for you, whatever you feel like you need to grow in your life. Like I said, whether it's relationship with Christ, maybe you want to grow in reading your Bible, maybe you want to, maybe your goal is for your favorite NCAA basketball team to win. Whatever fits for you. Step two is to decide when you want to accomplish your goal. And basically, for example, if you want to get fit, maybe you'll exercise every day for 1 month and then check your progress. I've learned that when you try to exercise like that, it's always good to take a before picture, and then maybe about 4 or 5 weeks later, you take a second picture and you put them side by side just to keep yourself encouraged. Whether it's, just decide when you want to accomplish it, whether it's reading the Bible in a year, whether it's, maybe it's getting all A's in school for the next 6 weeks, or whatever fits for you guys. And step three is to accomplish your goal. Basically, once you've decided what you want to accomplish and when, do it. Because basically that sums up the top 3 steps. Alright, so that basically sums up today's video. Remember, step 1 is to decide what you want to grow, what you want to set your goal as. Step 2 is decide when you want to do your goal. Step 3 is do it and accomplish your goal once you have the first 2 steps done. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, subscribe, and share. Turn on bell notifications if you haven't. Just be notified when I'm posting new videos. Remember, new style. Sorry this video is posted a little late. I got kind of busy on Thursday, but I hope to see you guys soon. And I'm gonna do another video in just a minute. I'm gonna show you a little clip of a layout that you can follow to set your goals. All right. Have a blessed day, guys, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, this is the layout I would suggest for you to follow for setting your goals. Alright.